adopted by the church as part of the 80th anniversary celebrations. So the church is supporting the youth. A church without a youth is no church, right? So the church is supporting the youth for that particular program. So the whole month of June is Youth Month, right? We have lectures, we have excursion, we have a capacity building program. All will be done, and then the Youth Month has special Sundays and the dress code for the Sunday. So that will take us to the month of July. Now in August we'll be having a annual festival of answered prayers, right? Festival of answered prayers, the anniversary edition. It's a special program. It's the anniversary edition. So that one will also be coming on in August, and then we are planning to have dinner and awards night in the month of August, right? So these are some of the programs. We have other programs that we are looking at. The main anniversary Thanksgiving, and that will be the awards day. So it will be Thanksgiving Awards Day, where parishioners, those who have done well over the years, right, will be given the St. Joseph medal, right? So they will enter into our Hall of Fame as a church. And then what we also intend to do is that we intend to acknowledge the forefathers, right? So we are going to do what we call a roll of honor, where those who have helped the church over the years will be acknowledged, and then their names will be inscribed into the annals of the church officially, right? So these are some of the programs we have as we move on towards the ending of the 80th anniversary. The essence of celebrating the 80 years, right, is to renew, and we are reconnecting, right? So our expectation is that, one, as a church will become more united, right? Will foster greater unity, and then as we also rejoice, right? Renew, rejoice, and reconnect. So we also reconnect with our members, right? Both in and outside the country. And so for me, the final word I would say is that, we are proud to be. I'm a very proud member of St. Joseph, and it's a joy to see this anniversary. So we expect everybody to participate in it, because you will not meet this time again. And then before I leave, in August we are launching a new church cloth, right? A new church cloth that will be used on the Thanksgiving Day, right? So when it comes out, we encourage people to buy as many as they can. They can give it to their family members, wear it, and come on that day. St. Joseph is an open church. We're here on my family, so everybody should come enjoy the anniversary together with us. Yeah.